Thokozani makhehla, thokozani bogogo, thokozani bomkhulu. Ya igama lami Moyane insizwa kaNkosi uzala kwayeso insizwa kaSizipha. Ngiyanibingelela futhi namuhla amakhehla amadala ngithi kudeduba umnyama kuvele ukukhanya zonke izinto bese ziyalunga. Ngizonifundisa ke namuhla amakhehla amadala. Today's topic is all about the importance of the mountain. You're trying to show the importance of the mountain. Why is it so important to our spirits? Why is it important to like you're trying to show? Now it has so many elements and so many different parts of ancestrals. Imsamo yabo ngibe kanjani entabeni kunemisamo ehlukahlukene. Now we have different problems as human beings. We have different like izinto eziningi ehlukahlukene esibhekana nazo each and every single day, and more especially more wena umuntu onesiphiwo sabantu abadala, wena onesiphiwo samakhehla, like nje you're facing a lot of challenges, you're facing a lot of frustrations, you're depressed, your emotions are on a roller coaster, and it's because of now you do not understand the importance of ukuphahla entabeni. Intaba zihlukene the way they're structured, yeah? They're structured in different ways. We have a mountain that's structured like a table. We have a mountain that's structured like a human. We have a mountain that's structured it's a human, like it's a man. You understand? Like they're structured in different ways because of now. There's a reason behind that. There's a reason behind why they're structured like that. Right. Now, khona abanye abantu okufuza ukuthi manje their own mountains, they are specific. They have specific mountains that they have to go to as a spiritual person, as a gifted child. There's a specific mountain that you need to go to so that whatever uyiphahlelayo ikwazi ukuthi ithinte la kumele ithinte khona. Now, let's say, for instance, the mountain that is there's certain ways on how to build that kind of mountain for your own for your own sake. There's the way rituals that are done so that you can connect with that particular mountain that you are sent to. Because of now, I'm a pupen. We have different dreams. And those mountains that you see within your dreams, they really do exist. They really do exist, and so now we'll find that with the like in the example for now, right now I can't gain paradigm deni. I try to show now abagam welcoming ngobuna macala ngobunani ngobunezenzo zakhe lezi azenzile phansi komthunzelanga khona izinto lezi angazicedanga lesikhathi saphila ngithi. Right now umoya wakhe uzohlala entabeni, izofula nje entabeni, is going to roam around that mountain. You're trying to show it doesn't matter what kind of mountain is that, but now umoya wakhe uzohlala mabathi umuntu uhleli ngaphandle, mabathi umuntu uhleli esigangeni, simply means that uhleli entabeni akanakhaya. You're trying to show khona ikhaya kumele ukuthi simakhele lona ukuthi akwazi ukungena phakathi kwekhaya, khona kwamele ageze ukuthi like nje izinto zakhe ziqonde zihlahlambe zibe right. You're trying to show ukuthi bamamukele kahle emndenini and yonke into ihambe ngendlela efanelekile. Wonke umuntu ophila phansi komthunzelanga, they have mistakes. We all do mistakes. We all have problems. We all have unresolved issues. I try to show. But now on the other side, they don't want to recognize it. If you have all the baggages of yonke nje kubuthakathaka obukhona obuke wabenza phansi komthunzelanga, everything nje the bad part of it usasenayo abantu abakini angeke bakwelcome ukuthi ungene phakathi kine ekhaya. Ethonto ngisho angeke bakwelcome ukuthi ungene phakathi ekhaya ube part of and like nje the group athana into engisho angeke bakuvumela ukuthi ungene phakathi kwekhaya ngenxa ukuthi amacala akho awagezanga ngenxa ukuthi ke amaphutha wakho awulungisanga ngenxa ukuthi kuphelele la bongafinalanga ukuthi uphelele khona athana into engisho. So now it's important for us ukuthi ke sihlala sigeza sihlala silungisa wonke all those elements ezikhona phakathi kuthina athana into engisho. Now as a gifted child, and how do you relate to the mountain spirits? A typical mountain has different stones. Those different stones, they have a meaning, and the way they're structured, they have a meaning, and mountain has different parts of sites la ungaphahla khona. A mountain has about 20 to 30 parts la ungaphahla khona. Specific parts, meaning that there's a part like you don't just go to the mountain and pass wherever uthanda khona ulayelwa umoya ulayelwa abantu abadala athanda ngisho. This say for instance ukhalela umsebenzi, you go to where ubona ukuthi la and then uhamba nomuntu futhi ke ukwazi ukubona ukwazi ukuzwa ukuthi indawo ethizeni ime kanjani indawo ethizeni isho ukuthini athanda ngisho. Because of now all those structures that in the mountain as manga nje ngoba zisihlobisile, no, they have a meaning and they have a purpose athanda ngisho. Now kunendawo la uphahlela ukuthi ucela izingane, kunendawo la uphahlela ukuthi ucela umsebenzi, kunendawo la ucela ukuthi ulungisela umshado wakho, kunendawo la ucela ukuthi impilo yakho ilunge, kulendawo la ebathi court athanda ngisho. Masithi kuse court la uthetha amacala wakho khona, la ugeza amacala wakho khona, la ugeza konke nje okukubi khona, bathi kuse court athanda ngisho. All those different parts, they are important. We don't just go to the mountain and just because of my sense. That's why most of the things ezenzakala kuthina masithi intabeni siyophahla senza aziphenduleki ngoba siphahla ngendlela engekho engasiyiyo athanda ngisho. So now it's important for us, it's really important for us ukuthi ke manje siyenze ngendlela efanelekile and follow the protocol yakho ngoba kune protocol ekumele silandelele masintabeni athanda ngisho. I'm gonna make an example again here yokuthi ke manje umuntu ophethwe amadlozi, umuntu ophethe amadlozi wakho, idlozi oliphethe idlozi elinjani, idlozi eliphethe idlozi elifunani athanda ngisho. Now the gift on its own, it might be cursed. Ungathola ukuthi uthwele idlozi elithethuliwe, ungathola ukuthi uthwele idlozi elinamacala amaningi, ungathola ukuthi uthwele idlozi elithakatha kakhulu. Now all that, let's say uphethe idlozi elithakatha kakhulu, definitely show your life as a whole is going to be cursed. That's why uzama ugezwa wenzani ugeze maybe like 10,000 ugezwe ngendlela eningi ehlukahlukene, but kugezwa abantu, kugezwa idlozi or kugezwa wena athanda ngisho. Makhehla intaba hila ukuthi manje it's a dominant side, hila ukuthetha khona amacala, hila kulungisela khona izinto, hila khona kulungisela imizi khona, hila kulungisela imsamo khona. And mase siye emfuleni, I'm gonna come emfuleni ngine explain ukuthi mase siye emfuleni senzani. But for today I just want to speak about intaba, the importance of intaba and all that. I told you sure. Now kunemimoya, and mind you ihlahla zidonsa imimoya, imimoya ihlala ehlahleni, imimoya ihlala ematsheni, imimoya ihlala enhlabathini athanda ngisho. All those elements are very important when you do those rituals. They are very important when ugeza, they are very important when uqela athanda ngisho. Now maphethe idlozi umuntu kwamadlozi ophethwe isikhwama siyagezwa. First of all, isikhwama sigezela kuphi? Usigezela entabeni athanda ngisho. There's certain rituals that are done magezi isikhwama sakho leso siphethe, meaning that maphethe amadlozi uphethe isikhwama sabantu abadala. So now ukuze sivuseleleke sisebenze ngendlela efanelekile kwamele usigeza, ngithi athanda ngisho ugeza umnikazi wesikhwama, kwamele ugeze the owner walesikhwama lesikade asiphethe athanda ngisho ukuthi sisebenzile safikele endaweni ethize. Now imimoya le kade isebenza nayo kwamele uyigeze, angazi ngiyangithola na, kwamele uyigeze yonke nemimoya lo muntu lo kade asebenza ngayo athanda ngisho. And then after that izinto zakho ziyaqonda, isikhwama siyagezwa, umsamo uyagezwa, idlozi liyagezwa, ugezwa umunikazi wesikhwama, kugezwa isibongo athanda ngisho. All that you doing it on the mountain la ngempela nje amadlozi wakho ke ahlangana khona la imimoya egqwele khona kakhulu athanda ngisho. Now ufuna ukuthi nje masogeza ke izinto ezinjalo kungamele ukuthi ubonakala ukuthi ke manje ugeza kanjani and ugezela yathona into engisho. That's why intaba inabile ngoba manje these different parts, they are selected for certain problems and they are selected for certain issues kwamele uzilungise wena umuntu ophila phansi komthunzela. Yathona ngisho yindlu kahle yindlu abantu abadala yilabo ababambela khona imithi, yilabo kahle bahlangana khona as imindeni yakho ukuthi izinto shaye khona uqala lapha entabeni before wenza any other things. I told them sure. So now the importance of ugezeni amadlozi is that uzothola ukuthi wazamile ukugeza wena ufuna inhlanhla kodwa uyakhohlwa ukuthi idlozi lakho awulazi and akazi ulibone mhlambe perhaps yilo elikwazi ukuthi ukwenza ukuthi ngathi uyathakathwa. You understand? Lokwenza ngathi uyathakathwa ngenxa ukuthi manje uthola ucabana nabantu abakini, uthola ucabana nomamakho because of the gift they see ukuze kini bayibona ngathi into engcolile because of izenzo zedlozi lakho kade lizenza mandulo or the way baza ngakhona, the way they appear on the dreams ngokuba manje bangcolile bafuna ukugezwa. That's why izothola ukuthi niba not that problem ukuthi naxabana nabantu abadala, naxabana nabantu bakini, naxabana nakho konke lokho. It's because of now lo muntu ushiya ini and uphelele kuphi, ufuna ukuthi ayenzelweni ukuthi izinto zenu ziqonde zihlangane nethanda nibe mbambolunye. As much as you are the carrier of the gift, you are cursed yourself. You're trying to ensure you are cursed yourself. That's why it's important for you to geze leli dlozi leli. That's why it's important for you to geze isikhwama. That's why it's important for you to geze umnikazi wesikhwama lo akuphethe ukuthi nawe uzokwazi ubabona emaphupheni. The reason being ningababoni nabantu abadala laba enimaphethe ufuna ukwazi ukuthi uphethe idlozi lomfazi, uphethe idlozi lomuntu omdala. It's because of now and bagezang. Now they are in the dark. Yes, they're giving you the gift. Yes, they want life. Kodwa ke manje ke hlala into efunekala is that kwamele ubageze ukuthi ukwazi ukubabona. Athi into ngisho kwamele ubageze ukuthi ukwazi ukuthi ubabone and bageza nge-specific things. So now you need all that ukuthi izinto zakho zihlahlambe zivuleke ngendlela leyo wena uthanda ukuthi zivuleke ngayo. Now the importance of intaba ingena lapho ke la yila sigezela khona amakhehla. Hey, ngoba amakhehla wakudala bewahlala kuphi entabeni. Angithi athi into ngisho imithi sithola kuphi sithola entabeni. All the herbs sithola kuphi entabeni nasesigangeni konke lokho. Angithi. So now that's why it's important for us ukuthi sigeze ikhwama lapho, sigeze ubunyanga bethu lapho, sigeze isiphiwo sethu lapho. Yila ke sihlanganisa imindeni yethu khona. Athi into ngisho ngoba zonke izinto zichama khona. Most of it all they come from the ground. Angithi athi into ngisho imithi lesisebenzisa it comes from plants. So now whatever that comes from the ground, it feeds us and it heals. As police, it feeds us and it heals us. Athi into ngisho njengoba masisebenza kanjalo makhehla mata, the importance of intaba ichama lapho ukuthi ke manje kwamele si understand all the sections that comes with it, all the elements eziza ngazo ngoba kugcwele imimoya, kugcwele izindlu, kugcwele abantu abahlala lapho, imoya ehlala lapho phansi kwelo hlahla lezo. Wena ungafika isihlahleni uthi kanti kunedlozi elibe lihlele lapho, so phahla idlozi le ukuthi mawubuyele ekhaya uzimangaza ukuthi kahle kwenzakalani, why izinto zami ngizame ukuyophahla ayikho into eqondile ehlangana nayo kanti no uphahlele endaweni wrong. Athi into engisho. So now I need at this moment I'm trying to teach ukuthi ke manje the importance ichama kanjani ukuthi uphahla kanjani. Maybe emalangeni I'm gonna make a workshop because of intaba yona yodwa nginifundisa ukuthi now this part imele into kanje, this part imele into kanje. I'm gonna show you when time goes on. I try to show for now I'm trying to educate you guys and nginyenze ukuthi ni understand the elements and the importance of it. Yabona because of it's very important ukuthi mawugeza abantu abadala usuku bagezela kuphi and for what reasons. And understand all the sections in Taba in Hazo, like the court, like the loud la khona izinto zakho kwamele uzazi, kwamele uzibone ukuthi okay la ilacela khona la ngifuna khona la like nje zihlukene. That's one thing show. And ukubuyela endabeni yokuthi umuntu has a specific mountain. Uzothola ukuthi uphupha mountain emengendlela ethizeni. In your dreams you must try by all means ukuthi uyazibheka izinto ezinjalo, uyabheka ukuthi kahle mountain yakho ime kanjani kunesihlahla esinjani nakho konke lokho yathanda ngisho and to verify that is to consult and check with okay fine this is the mountain that you saw and you need to go to this particular mountain to do certain rituals if it's far and then kwenzo ezinye izinto ukuthi lidonse le mimoya lapha bayisondeze kuwena and then after that into zakho ziyahlangana kubalekile into abaMakhehla amadala imithandazo kakhulu iphendulwa lapho yathanda ngisho. Today I'm just speaking about the mountain and on my next video ngizoxoxa ngane ngomfula and ukuthi zona zihlangana kanjani egcineni yathanda ngisho. So now today let's concentrate on the mountain spirit and it's important ukugezela entabeni masogeza amacala wamadlozi masogeza ubuthakathi bamadlozi masogeza ukuthetshulwa kwamadlozi yathanda ngisho isebenza kanjalo masogeza isikhwama samadlozi lesi kade sisebenza even though ekhaya anazi ukuthi lokunesangoma or asikade sibe akaze kube nesangoma ekhaya it's fine ekutheni if you have the gift and azange abantu abadala basenze azange abantu abadala basithwasela obasenzeleni once singene phakathi kwena as umuntu ophila phansi komthunzelanga sekuyisikhwama leso sokubunyanga sokuyigift le engene phakathi kwena kwamele wenzeni manje kwamele uyigeze angithi ukuze to activate it because of now akazi isetshenziswe manje yenzeni irusile yathona into ngisho to activate it and to see where it comes from and iyakuphi kwamele ubenzeni kwamele bagezela kuphi entabeni yathanda ngisho ila kuthethwa khona amacala ila kubambela khona ama meeting phansi kwezihlahla ezithizeni yathanda ngisho so la kunefuyo khona imfuyo abantu abadala ilapho yathanda ngisho uzothola ukuthi kudala bokuneyinkomo zantshontshwa nana inkomo isibaya siyageza isibaya sigezela kuphi sigezela entabeni yathanda ngisho. So now it's important for us to understand that Makhehla and do the right things singayenzi izinto nje ngoba siyabona kuyayezwa. Those different parts ezilapho entabeni they're important for your own spirits and for your own self ukuthi manje izinto zakho zihlangane zihambe ngendlela efanelekile yathanda ngisho. So now understanding the mountain it's all about understanding your family it's all understanding ukuthi amadlozi akho aqhamukapi ayapi kanjani ngoba kudala vele kuhlala entabeni lapho vele kudala bokwenzela khona izinto eziningi entabeni. So now let's acknowledge it properly and let's respect it properly and do the right things in different sections that it has yathanda ngisho. So asizameni ke Makhehla and silandelele imithetho khona ngoba inemithetho ethizeni that's why nxa entabeni phahle bathi yeah for 7 days wenzeni and kungabi bikho into yenzakalako it's because of you doing it wrong. You're doing it wrong and try to do it ngendlela ethizeni and follow the protocols ngoba inomthetho othize yathanda ngisho. That's why nanoma kuya entabeni bayenza ama rituals wakhona and all that is because of now amandla kuphi asentabeni angithi athanda ngisho bayenza amasiko wasentabeni abafana when they go into the manhood is because of now baya kuphi bayentabeni angithi athanda ngisho amandla kuphi asentabeni. So now kwamele silandelele leyo mthetho yakhona ukuze sikudonsa amandla akhona sigubha umkhosi wakhona kwamele senze izinto endaweni right. Let's not try ukuthi ke manje manipulated in other way. No, it doesn't need to be manipulated in anyhow. You just need to go to the right section and pray for whatever that you want to pray for and do it right. That's it. So now yonke into iqala entabeni yonke into ukuze izinto zakho baqolele namacala wakho as a person wathetha kuphi entabeni imisamo ilungisela kuphi ulanda amadlozi kuphi entabeni ukuze bafuku babuye bangene phakathi ekhaya isebenza kanjalo Makhehla athona into ngisho icala lapho. So now if you have any questions please don't hesitate to ask and I'll definitely respond and don't forget to subscribe. This is part 1 of the mountain section yathanda ngisho. So asizameni ke Makhehla sixoxisana sifundisana sibonisana. So part 1 of it is it today. I hope you understood what I spoke of and understand yonke lento engizama ukuyenza yathanda ngisho. And don't hesitate to ask if you have any questions and I'll explain further and further and further. Today we're being icala and probably next week ngizenza part 2 of it and yeah I'm here to educate and please asihlanganeni sifunde ngempela and senze izinto zamadlozi ngendlela efanelekile and izinto zethu zivuleke zonke. So thokozani makhehla kudedwe omnyama kuvela ukukhanya. This is part 1 of it. Don't hesitate to ask. Please do subscribe. Ngithakubeni kuhle.